Hello and welcome back to another edition of the Medeek Wall plugin. My name is Nathaniel P. Wilkerson, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about wall justification. So for the last few years, when you've drawn walls, you basically can change the justification. Let's go ahead and show you guys what I mean by that. So I'm just going to go ahead and lay down a grid real quick and click the wall tool here. Just go with a rectangular wall with all the default settings. Okay, so let's go ahead and click that first point. And you'll notice here in the little text right there in the middle, it says front. Okay, so that's what's called front justification. And if you remember correctly, by using the Alt key in Windows, you can toggle this justification, right? So notice I've got 4 options for that. Sheathing, and if we look close, we can see what's happening here, right? I just want to show you guys this. Okay, so here we have front justification, center justification, back justification, and sheathing justification. So it basically offsets the wall by the width or the thickness of the sheathing, right? All right, so let's go back to front. Okay, so typically when you select anything other than front justification, what happens is the wall draw tool goes out of polyline mode. And as you draw a wall, it will basically jump out of the tool and you got to start over again, right? So you can just draw one wall at a time. And the reason for that was because in polyline mode, as you draw each successive wall, you need to, basically the plugin needs to mend or merge the corners of those walls successively, right? So let's go ahead and just draw a wall here. Okay, so typically, you go like this and the wall corners get properly adjusted and all that, which is all great. And that's, of course, in the front mode. But now what I've done is I've gone ahead, I'm going to set this to center. I'm going to show you guys. So I've set it to center. And normally, if we do a center justification, it will just stop, right? But if you watch, it will actually keep working in polyline mode. And not only that, it will also properly connect these corners. So I'm just going to draw, keep in center mode here, center mode. And now I'm going to go back to front mode. So I'm going to go back, sheathing, front mode. And let's just go back around. We'll close this out. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's just go back to center mode. That's easy enough. Okay. And by the way, this works for front, back, center, or sheathing. Okay. So the one thing, though, I do want to point out, though, the one little gotcha, I guess. Okay, so we're still in center mode, and now we're coming back, and we're going to come back to this corner, right? Now, typically, when you come back to the final corner, the wall is going to be justified, and these corners will be properly concentric on each other, right? But as you can see, they are not, because we're in center mode, and so the center of the wall is actually offsetting this wall out from where it typically would be. So that is the only gotcha, I guess. Is like, let's say if we draw this whole thing in center mode or back or sheath mode, you're at the very end. You're going to end up with a situation like this, which isn't a big deal. I'm going to show you how to deal with that. But so basically what's happening is every time you draw the next polyline or next wall segment, it is connecting these corners with the one previous. And so at the very end, all we do is we just use the corner tool here, which is this guy over here. Sorry, it's kind of hidden. It's this little connect corners tool that I put in place not too long ago. So I'm going to just select any, it doesn't matter which one, and then I'm going to select this one, and you're going to see that it's connected those corners just fine. So that's the only thing with the whole thing, is if you do use the offset or justification that's offset, you're going to end up with a situation at the end of the perimeter where you will still need to correct it or connect it. Okay, so let's try this again. So I do have a lot of people that have asked me in the past. I'm just going to do 4 walls here. So first I'm just I start the wall, and that way I can see what I've got, right? And then I'm going to hit the Alt key, which will send me to whatever. I'm going to do sheathing this time. So I'm offsetting the wall around the perimeter by the sheathing thickness. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab 4 corners here. And let's go ahead and grab one more here. And as you can see, I end out right here at, like, I come back to this corner, right? Now I could come back to that corner, it doesn't really matter. But if I do come back to this corner, you can see it's not quite concentric, and that's why the corners are not quite right. If we turn off the gypsum, we can see that better. They're still set to end. So again, not a big deal. We just click the corner connection tool here, and there you go. Patches it right up. All right, and then that's pretty much it. I think just wanted to show you guys that. So with wall justification, again, when you're using the wall draw tool, just click the Alt key here in Windows. I think the same key is on the Mac as well, and that will allow you to toggle between the different justifications, and then you can go ahead and use that in Polyline mode for all these different justification modes without any problem. Whereas before it was just in a single wall segment mode where it couldn't do the polyline. So bit of a limitation, and I think this addresses that, and we can take advantage of the polyline draw mode here as well with any justification. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show that to you guys, and appreciate everybody helping me figure out this one. I actually used the the nuts and bolts of the under the hood stuff from the Connect Corners module to fix this issue. So what's actually happening, if you really want to know, is that as you draw those segments, if you're using the front justification, then no correction is necessary because automatically we've already got these corners coincidental. But in a situation here like with the sheathing or back or centered, you actually have to basically connect the corners separately or adjust the walls, both of them usually, and so then it corrects it. So anyways, long story short, I think it works now, and again, thank you guys for all your support and for your suggestions, and we will talk to you later.